Yo, what's up guys? This is just a video on a quick update of what progress we've made on the boys' world. We have defeated the Eye of Cthulhu, and we have defeated the Eater of Worlds as well, and the Goblin Army. We've also made quite a bit of progress, I have, indeed too. This is my little house here. Down here is this minecart I have built. Built. Not the gnome. So this here is Ramps and Chuck's house / Rory. And then this here is Cheeky Breaky's house / Ben. This is where I used to live, but now this is Cheeseman / Evan. Over here is Chiroraptor / Zach. This is his house. And and we've also defeated the King Slime. So yeah, we've also got quite a few NPCs as well. I would appreciate some likes and subscribers. If you could do that, that'd be really helpful, which I am trying to grow my YouTube account. And then up here we have Chubby Bunks' house / Micah. So yeah, it's not much. He's the one that built this little elevator thing. Over here we have our council thing that we made for some reason. And I've also made quite a bit of discoveries. What the hell? Okay, so the arms dealer is on Skyland. So yeah, this is not any video of gameplays. It's just me giving you guys an update on the housing. So yeah, if you guys could like and subscribe, that'd be really cool. Alright, see ya.